enjoy the day. Y'all just go right over that way. Come on up, come on up. Hi, how you doing? What's going? You can just go that way.
That's growing. House, you in the back? Right after the
This event means hope. It means togetherness, and we appreciate all that, the food and the cooking, but we need NIPSCO. We still got to go back to our homes in the black, in the dark, with no electricity, with our basements flooded. We still got to go back. So you feed us for a minute, you give us a little something. We need more than that.
Oh, and I need some of this. It's right here. Cartier, grab this. Right there. Yeah. Go.
Oh, I said if I can get this. Yeah, thank you. Can I get this? You want that? Yeah.
Whoa, survival mode, you know, no lights. Everything that I had in the fridge is gone, spoiled.
Couldn't get gas, we had nowhere to go eat. The lights is out on the streets, it's pitch black, it looks really scary and dark. You got trees on the roads that we haven't gotten up yet, and people can't even pass them. And it's sad to leave a city like this.
It's like they're trying to kill us all, really, you ask me. It don't make no sense. We should be a disaster area, you know? It's like, oh, they normal, they can handle it, whatever.
You gotta think about Gary is predominantly black, and look how they treating us. It's terrible out here, man. It's terrible, and it shouldn't even be this way in 2026, man. 2026 is still like this, and it's terrible, man. It's terrible. I feel bad, to be honest with you, man.
Oh, for sure.